Hello everyone, today in this tutorial I will show you how to change your email address in Origin app or the Electronic Arts app. So the first thing you go here and then click on the settings. Here you will find too many tabs in the settings. We are interested in the account settings. You will find here my profile and you will find your username here and you just click on manage. So basically it will just transfer you to the website. The first thing you will find here a bunch of tabs. You will choose the first one and you go directly to email address. As you can see, this is my current email address, so I want to change it. I will just click on the edit button. It is colored on the blue one. It will requires you to verify the identity, so it will send a security code on your current email address. You click on send the verification code. You just go to your actual email address. Here you find code. You just copy paste it like this, copy, and then you just paste code like this and submit. As you can see, now it requires us to enter the new email that we want to change. So my new email will be this one. Yes, like this. And you just click continue. And now it will verify the new email address. So there it will send you a new verification code. As you can see, here we can no, here it is the new code. You just copy paste it like the previous time. You just come here and then paste and you submit. I think there is a problem here. Uh, this is the code. Why doesn't it? It's like this. Yes, as you can see, my email has been changed. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.